So now we are preparing cucumber pickle. So cut all the pieces like this. So now like this we have cut all the cucumber pieces. Now let it dry for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes our cucumber has been dried. Now we'll start the pickle process. Now take a bowl, any vessel, 2 big tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 big tablespoon of mustard powder, pinch of turmeric, half tablespoon of fenugreek seeds, half tablespoon of roasted jeera powder, 1 tablespoon of salt and 25 garlic. And now we'll add cucumber pieces. Add zinzali oil. It's approximately 200 ml. Our cucumber pickle was ready. This can be served as with steamed rice, rotis and everything.